Hey guys, I know I usually do woodworking videos, but I was in the IT and software industry for many years, and I just purchased a new phone, and this is my take on the Surface Duo. So my Samsung Note 9 is finally wearing out. It's not holding a charge, and so I went with a new phone. It's the Microsoft Surface Duo 2. Let's get this baby open. See what the hell's in here. So I called ordered it from Microsoft, and it said it would be delivered on the 25th. Today's June 27th. It just arrived. So that was kind of a bummer. But, so here it is. Let's take a look at it. It's really hot from being in the truck. So, very nice. I got the Glacier White. I'm going to let that just cool off for a while. This is a continuation on my Surface Duo 2, and I am going to just show you what I've got going with it. So here's my Surface Duo 2. First impressions are this is a supreme quality product. I like the two screens. I've used it. Today was the first day I really used it. It fit in my holder in my car. Android Auto worked really well. The navigation worked well. The reason I got this is I'm coming from a Samsung product, and you know, I use Outlook, I use text messages. I always felt a little, how do I put this? You know, I couldn't write emails the way I wanted to. And anyway, this gives me more. I mean, it's not a laptop, but for this size, it's the closest thing you can get. I've read all the terrible reviews. Frankly, the people that give it bad reviews do not understand what it is. So anyway, my thoughts is it's a killer machine, and I wished it had come out years ago. I think it would have changed the face of the industry. Back when Microsoft had its own operating system, its own mobile operating system. So anyway, when I ordered it, I ordered the pen case. These were like 12 bucks, so I ordered these. They look good on it. I have a screen protector. I haven't put them on yet. I'm not sure I will. I did order a keyboard. This is a foldable keyboard, and yes, it hooks right up and it's got a little stand. I spend a lot of time in airplanes, and I haven't taken this on a trip. Like I said, I've only had it a day, but I foresee this working real well. I bought, this is a hard drive I've had. It's a wireless, it does hook up, and so I can download photos. For some reason, I don't like clouds. By that I mean like iCloud and OneDrive. I want my stuff here. And I own a company, and I want my stuff where I want it. So I'm not gonna do that. But anyway, like I said, this is my impressions. I've always been kind of an early adapter. I was late to the game on this one, but it's a fun device. I was gonna keep my other phone for business, my business phone. This is a personal phone, so I try to keep those separate. But this seems to be working fine. I took the SIM card out of there, and if I needed, I was gonna get another SIM card for this, but I think I'm just gonna use this as my daily driver. This is my weekend phone when I don't wanna be bothered with work. But I'll probably be carrying this for a while till the new wears off and I'm not enamored with it. But anyway, so I've got the case for it and the pen. I'm gonna try those out. I'm still trying to decide whether to use these. I think I'll try them, but boy, this feels so nice. The colors pop so well without a screen protector. So anyway, that's my thoughts on that. I have a Microsoft Surface for a laptop. I have a MacBook Pro, an iMac. I just bought the Yoga 6, which, wow, that's a great machine. So I know technology, being in that industry for years. I did find a case this is an old case I've had that I never used. And this pops right in there, works really well. So anyway, that's just my take on the Surface. I think it got a lot of bad reviews. I'm not sure why. Oftentimes people just don't get things, and they're too ill-informed to do the work to get things. Anyway, that's my take on it. We'll see you further on down the trail.